To check fingerprint recognition function on your Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra, swipe down the top of the screen and then tap setting icon. Scroll down the screen to find device care. Tap device care. Scroll down the screen. Under additional care section, tap diagnostic. Under phone section, tap phone diagnostic. Scroll down the screen. Now tap fingerprint recognition and then place the finger you have registered on your phone on the fingerprint scanner. If there's no issue found during the test and your phone can recognize your registered fingerprint, your phone will inform you that the fingerprint recognition function on your phone is normal. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.